Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For all who are new here, my name is Wendy. I'm a part-time reseller, which means I buy stuff for super cheap and I sell for profit online, like Poshmark, eBay, that kind of thing. I am a full-time postal worker. I am a clerk at the USPS and I work a lot. Sorry if you can hear the train, but this is the first Goodwill Blue Box I've gotten in a while. Came from Lake Worth, Florida. I don't know if they come other places. I've had jewelry boxes come from like Tennessee and Arkansas and stuff, but yeah, most of the clothing comes from Lake Worth. That's their biggest place. Hasn't been opened yet. I do have a second one and I peeked in there, so, but this one is a legit like reaction video. Lots of paper tape. They didn't want me to get into this one, did they? But I order them on, you order them on Friday. They go live. It was a little weird this time because it is 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I believe. And it's usually 5 p.m. my time. And it literally was like 6 p.m. my time. So I don't know what happened there. This is the Thrifty Apparel box. It is $15 plus $5 shipping, or $14.99 plus $5 shipping. It used to be called the 10 for 10. They raised the price up $5. Still the same amount of items. So let's see what we have. I'll put it to the side right here. Some people have been getting things that aren't necessarily like clothing items. Sorry. All of them, at least. This is an Ambience. I think it's just like a department store. It is just like a open cardigan. It's a long one. It's maroon. It is a size large. A small for a size large. Coral Bay, size small. Mature women's top. It is teal. It's kind of textured. It's stretchy. I mean, I might fit that. I'm a large. What else we got? This is a Croft and Borrow. This isn't looking too great. It's got some like stone details, like little rhinestones. Size small. It's a pretty crappy box so far. This is an Island Planet extra large. This is kind of cute. It's just like a cheap resort dress. Got some splits up the sides. What do we got here? This feels really cheap. It's because it is Champion 9. Is that Champion? It's definitely got some peeling going on. It's just like a hooded athletic top. These are cute. These are Old Navy, size medium. Just a little sporty short. I mean, what do I expect for a Thrifty Apparel? Less than a $20 box. This is size large. This is a Salt Life long sleeve shirt. This ought to do pretty good. My hair is stuck to my face. Black always tends to wash out afterwards. Sorry. I promise I'm not a ghost. Calvin Klein jeans. This is just a kid's 18-20. I mean, my son will fit into this before long, so let's give it to him. I bet this is Ruby Road. Just by the print, and yeah, this is a department store, super cheap. But some of their stuff is kind of cute. What do we got here? Adidas. This is a large 14-16. My son ought to fit into this right now, and red is his favorite color. So, I mean, this in itself is worth this box. It's got to make the kid happy. There's a tank top. Forever 21. super small or else I give it to my daughter. It's a size small. And there's some non-clothing items in there, it looks like. Oh, this is new with tags. Style word, medium. This feels really good. This feels almost like Lululemon, just by how it feels. But it is just like that blue and black leopard. I could sell these, definitely. I don't know, never heard of that brand. Let's see, $14.99. Oh, this is my receipt for both of them. I ordered two. So it shows that I paid $39.98 for two of them. One thing, I guess this technically is clothing. Esprit trouser socks. Oops, sorry. This is a 3-pack, but there's only 2 in here. So I get to sell it as a 2-pack. And it only had a price tag of $3.99 to begin with. So we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 items. So I got some free stuff. So that was less than probably no, not less than $1 item, because if I paid $20, it's just a little over $1 item anyway. But yeah, if I sell the Salt Life tea, that ought to pay for all of it. And I'll give this to my son. So, but 13 items, $19.99. It's not bad. Might donate some of this stuff and give it to Goodwill. Give it back to Goodwill. Just a different Goodwill. So, anyways, if you enjoyed reseller content like this, be sure and like and subscribe. I have a whole playlist of mystery box unboxings from everywhere, like ThredUp, Goodwill, stuff like that. So, you guys check it out. I will link it at the end. So, y'all have a great day. Thanks. Bye.